Hello friends, this is Kiran and welcome back to my channel. Today we are traveling to and from the India's Mumbai International Airport. So we'll go through both arrivals and departures. We are ready for the landing in Mumbai and right now can see the beautiful view of the city. Let me tell you one thing, that the official name of this airport is Chatrapati Shivaji Maharaj International Airport and its IATA code is BOM. For me, the interesting part of the flight journey is takeoffs and landing. We have connecting flight from here, so we'll go to departures from arrival. It's a huge corridor kind of space to walk at arrival, and it's a very long walk till the baggage collection. Here we are at the beautiful space of the baggage collection. The interior of this Chatrapati Shivaji Maharaj International Airport is considered in one of the most beautiful airports. This is something new, the baggage carousel, the most innovative belt at the airport I have seen as of now. Every airport have different kind of baggage reclaim system, but this is something creative and interesting. But I don't think the bags are enjoying this. Anyhow, it's a connecting flight, so we are not supposed to collect our bags. It will go through transfer and we'll get our bags directly at our destination airport. If this is your destination, then reclaim the bag and look for the exit. But right now we'll go towards departure. Here they will simply cross-check your ticket and will move forward. Maybe from this white colored interior structure you will recognize this airport easily. You might have seen photos and videos of many celebrities who frequently flies from this airport. This is one of the most busiest airport in Asia. It carries over 40 million passengers per year and handles about 950 aircraft movement per day. These are check-in counters. Here we'll simply show the boarding pass of our next flight. If you don't have boarding pass, then you will get it here. Also submit your bags here if you have. Now we'll proceed for immigration. If you are taking domestic flight, then no need of immigration. But if you are traveling outside the country, then you have to go through immigration. There is a long waiting line for immigration. We are done with immigration, so we'll move towards the boarding gate. This is duty-free area. Here you can do shopping as well. We have talked about the duty-free stuff shopping in my previous video on Dubai Airport. I'll share the link in the description box. Please check the link to know more. This airport is awarded as the best airport of Asia Pacific. Also have won many such awards for being best in service and for serving huge crowd with multiple aircrafts. So basically in this duty free area you will find huge mall for shopping and a food court. Check your boarding time on your boarding pass. If you have enough time or huge layover, then you have many options to spend your time without getting bored. This is the lavish boarding area. This is the Terminal 2 of the Chatrapati Shivaji Maharaj International Airport. On your ticket, it will be written as BOM for Bombay. Bombay is the another former name of Mumbai. And we are ready for the boarding. Today we are traveling by Air India. We'll see what changes has done to Air India flight after it's being acquired by Tata Group. From this boarding bridge we'll directly reach inside the flight. That's why I don't like the boarding bridge, because we miss the outside view of the aircraft. This is Air India Airline AI911. This Boeing is quite bigger as compared to other normal passenger aircraft. This flight has this digital display with the touch screen and remote control. Here we can watch some already available movies and shows during our flight time. The Boeing was not that well maintained and the seats were also quite missed. But the services was upgraded. The flight has departed and arrived on time. They also served free welcome drink and meal as well. So we are flying to our destination. Thank you for being with us in this journey. It's been a pleasant journey with you. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel.